Every successful product launch has one thing in common: a team that works together efficiently. But behind every high-performing agile team, there is often someone who keeps everyone aligned, removes roadblocks, and helps the team continuously improve. That person is a Scrum Master. So today, in this video, we are going to look at the complete Scrum Master roadmap for 2026. From understanding Agile and Scrum fundamentals to building the skills, certifications, and experience needed to start your career as a Scrum Master. So stay till the very end because it's going to be very fruitful. Trust me. So let's first understand who is actually a Scrum Master. So a Scrum Master is not a traditional project manager. They are an impediment remover, facilitator, coach, teacher, servant leader, manager, change agent, and a mentor who helps team follow agile principles and deliver better results. With companies across industries adopting agile ways of working, Scrum Masters have become an important role in software development, IT, finance, healthcare, and many other sectors. So now let's look at the complete Scrum Master roadmap step by step. So let's first start with the first phase, that is understanding Agile and Scrum fundamentals. Before becoming a Scrum Master, your first step is understanding the foundation, that is Agile methodologies. Traditional project management follows a sequential approach. Everything is planned upfront. But Agile works differently. It focuses on continuous improvement, customer collaboration, faster delivery cycles, and adapting to changing requirements. Do you know about the most popular Agile framework? Yes, it is Scrum. Scrum is based upon three pillars. First, transparency. Everyone understands the work and the progress. Second, inspection. Teams regularly review their progress. And third, adaptation. Teams improve their process based upon the feedback provided. So as a beginner, you should learn the key Scrum concepts. That includes Scrum rules, Scrum events, Scrum artifacts, Scrum planning, daily Scrum meetings, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives. These concepts create the foundation for your Scrum Master journey. Now the phase 2. Learn the Scrum Master role. Now let's understand what a Scrum Master actually does. A common misconception is that Scrum Master assign tasks and manage employees. That is not their role. Scrum Master helps the team become self-organizing. Now let's look at some basic responsibilities of Scrum Master. First, facilitating Scrum events. A Scrum Master ensures that Scrum meetings like sprint planning, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and sprint retrospectives are well organized, focused, and productive. Second, removing team obstacles. This is another responsibility of a Scrum Master. When teams face blockers, unclear requirements, or process changes, the Scrum Master helps identify and remove these obstacles so the team can work smoothly. Now let's look at the third responsibility, that is coaching teams. Scrum Master guides the team on agile principles, encourages collaboration, and helps members improve their way of working. And last but not the least, supporting product owners. They work with product owners to maintain clear priorities and ensure the product backlog is well managed. So a great Scrum Master does not control the team. They empower the team to become self-organizing and deliver better results. Now the phase 3. Developing essential Scrum Master skills. Scrum Master needs to have a strong set of professional skills to help team work efficiently. And the skills contain first. So let's look at the skills. First, communication skills. They work with developers, managers, and stakeholders, so clear communication helps keep everyone aligned. Second, leadership skills. Scrum Master lead by building trust, guiding teams, and encouraging collaboration. Third, conflict resolution. They help teams resolve disagreements and maintain a positive working environment. Fourth skill, problem-solving skill. So the Scrum Master identifies challenges, remove blockers, and help team find effective solutions. Last but not the least, facilitation skills. They run productive meetings by asking the right questions, encouraging participation, and keeping discussions focused. So these were some of the key responsibilities of a Scrum Master. Now coming at fourth phase, that is learning agile tools and practices. Modern Scrum Masters work with various agile tools to manage workflows and team collaboration. So some commonly used tools includes Jira, Azure DevOps, Trello, Fluence, and Miro. See, as a Scrum Master, you should understand some key agile concepts. That includes first, user stories. It's written from the user's perspective. Example, as a customer, I want to track my order so that I know when it arrives. Second, product backlog. A prioritized list of all features, enhancements, and fixes for the product. Third, sprint backlog. The set of tasks the team commits to completing in a sprint. And fourth, burn down charts. Visual reports showing how much work remains in the sprint. So knowing these concepts help you work effectively with agile teams. Now the fifth phase, that is getting Scrum Master certification. Once you understand Scrum fundamentals, the next step is to validate your skills with a recognized certification. Popular options include Certified Scrum Master, that is CSM, from Scrum Alliance, Professional Scrum Master, PSM, from scrum.org, and Agile Certified Practitioner, which covers multiple Agile approaches. For beginners, the Certified Scrum Master certification is a great way to start your Agile career. Simplilearn CSM training helps you prepare with 16 hours of live training by certified Scrum trainers, hands-on activities, real-world case studies, and exam preparation. The program also includes the CSM exam fee, free exam retake, 2-year Scrum Alliance, membership, 20 PDUs, 16 SEUs, and access to additional Agile courses. With this certification, you can build confidence in Scrum practices and prepare for roles like Scrum Master, Project Manager, Product Owner, and Agile Team Member. So why wait? The program link is given in the description box below. Go check it out right away and start your Scrum Master journey today with Simplilearn. Now let's look at the sixth phase, that is gaining practical experiences. See, learning Scrum concepts gives you the foundation, but applying them in the real-life scenarios is what helps you become a better Scrum professional. So start by practicing Scrum in everyday scenarios. You can participate in Agile projects, help coordinate team activities, practice running Scrum ceremonies, create sample Scrum boards, and work on Agile case studies. The more you practice, the better you understand how Scrum team collaboration, solve the problem, and deliver work effectively. Let us understand this with a simple example. Imagine a software team struggling with missed deadlines. As a Scrum Master, your role would be identifying blockers, improve the communication, facilitate Scrum meetings, and help the team create a smoother workflow. Remember, Scrum is not just about knowing the framework, it is about helping teams continuously improve and deliver better results. Now, the last phase, that is the seventh phase, building your Scrum Master career. Once you have learned Scrum, earned your certification, and gained some hands-on experience, it's time to focus on building your Scrum Master career. You can start exploring roles like Scrum Master, Agile Project Coordinator, Agile Coach, Project Manager, or Product Owner. As you grow, continue improving your skills by learning advanced Agile approaches such as Kanban, SFEs, Agile Lean principles, DevOps practices, and product management fundamentals. At the same time, build your professional profile by showcasing your Scrum certifications, Agile project experiences, tools you have used, and your ability to facilitate team collaboration. Remember, becoming a successful Scrum Master is a continuous learning journey where you keep improving your skills and help better work together. So let's quickly summarize the complete Scrum Master roadmap. First, understand the fundamentals of Agile and Scrum, including Scrum roles, events, artifacts, and Agile principles. Next, learn the responsibilities of a Scrum Master, from facilitating Scrum events and removing blockers to coaching teams and supporting product owners. Then develop essential skills like communication, leadership, conflict resolution, problem solving, and facilitation. After that, get familiar with Agile tools and practices such as Jira, Azure, DevOps, user stories, product backlogs, sprint planning, and burn down charts. Once you have the foundation, validate your knowledge with a recognized Scrum certification and start applying your skills through practical projects and real-world experiences. Finally, continue growing your career by exploring advanced Agile practices and building your professional profile for roles like Scrum Master, Agile Coach, Project Manager, and Product Owner. Remember, becoming a Scrum Master is a continuous learning journey. The more you practice, collaborate, and help teams improve, the better you become in this role. If you found this roadmap helpful, then subscribe to Simplilearn for more insights and check out our related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.